Do you want me to? You can read it, Joe. There you go.
All right, kids, let's read. Let's see if the kids like this. I'm going to read a book right now. And you can actually see the full book live on Twitch.
Uh-oh, he's struggling.
Uh-oh.
Hey, kids, let's read a book right now. It's called Baking Cookies Together. The story of producer Jed, Joe, and Ashley. Producer Jed and Joe have sweet dreams. They dream of cookies, not just any cookies, their favorite cookies. When they wake, they realize their dreams will come true. Today is the day when they'll make cookies with Ashley.
Wow.
Wow, kids.
Oh, that's a big paragraph.
Holy hell, this is a lot of words.
That is.
Let's
but
see
the
what it
pictures are
says.
pretty cool.
Ashley greets producer Jed and Joe with a tight hug and a quick tickle.
Whoa, I didn't see that part in the book.
Me too. Producer Jed and Joe find their aprons and hand Ashley her apron. Ashley has hers on before Jed and Joe can
Why
get
does it
theirs
sound
over
so
their head.
naughty?
Here, producer Jed, let me help you. Do you have the recipe? Jed asks Ashley, ties her apron strings.
What?
I do. Ashley smiles and turns on the oven. Making cookies with Ashley is fun. These are cookies that Jed and Joe dream about. They can practically
I don't know why
taste
you
them in
reading
their
a book like
sleep.
that. It just seems so sexual.
No, that's how you talk to.
No.
No, that's how you
Hi,
talk to
kids.
like 4-year-olds.
You
Yeah.
have to change your. Yeah, you have to. It's all about.
Yeah,
inflection.
but I don't know. It sounded weird.
There's even a cookie recipe in the book.
So, listen. If you want to enlist us for kids' birthday parties,
Oh yeah.
we'll dress up as we'll dress up as like the. You ever seen like the Times Square Mickey and Minnie's?
Yeah.
We'll
And
dress up like
Spider-Man.
that. Yeah, and Spider-Man. We'll do that, and then we'll read to them. We'll sing to them. Whatever.
Whatever you want.
That's right. 90.